The technology industry is renewing at an unprecedented speed. The growth in the Turku region is now faster than ever before. Large engines, high-quality mining vehicles, premium cars, and modern welding automation become success stories around the world. Valmet Automotive is one of the biggest contract manufacturers in the automotive industry. The success of the plant gives a major boost to the economy and employment in the region. A new wave brings together the blue and green industries and raises Finland's industry to the global forefront of sustainable development and responsible business operations. Turku is one of the fastest growing clusters of the gaming industry in Finland. Game engines, motion detection sensors, virtual goggles, and tools of augmented reality are examples of technologies that are increasingly utilized in the development of new interactive solutions, for example in the technology industry, the well-being sector, and in the fields of education and tourism. A safe and pleasant city center and living environment are important both to the inhabitants of Turku and those visiting the city. Turku has set up an ecosystem of guidance and safety, which in addition to the city, involves technology group Teleste, Turku Science Park, and Turku University of Applied Sciences. The ecosystem will enable the development of business operations in the city center, and the companies can test their products in a real urban environment. The Turku Future Technologies Network, or TFT, is becoming a global leader in serving the needs for expertise of the maritime industry and manufacturing technology industry. TFT brings together the relevant professionals and the experts from universities and at the same time offers companies a channel for buying development services for products, production, business operations, and expertise. A major structural change of the manufacturing technology industry is ongoing in the region. The change strengthens the regional economy and also affects Finland's total rate of employment. Growth is now being generated for all of Finland.